evening, sir.
Good evening.
Welcome to Building and Construction Update magazine, sir.
Thank you.
It's India's largest circulated print and digital magazine, sir. So basically, what message would you like to convey to your potential clients into the industry?
I would like to welcome them to visit this show. It's been second day. And it's, as far as right now, it's been good. Too many people are here. We met new people, met our old clients, and I would request them to come. There's last day tomorrow. So.
Okay, good, sir, good. So can you tell us about basically Sunrock brand and your journey into the roofing and PEB industry, sir?
Well, Sunrock is almost a 2-decade-old company, and we are one of the leading manufacturers of mineral wool in India. And we manufacture a variety of mineral wool like rock wool slabs, pipes, and building rolls, which are used for PEB construction, which will make your shed cooler by almost 10 to 12 degrees and make it calmer when it rains, and it's soundproof actually. So, and fireproof.
Okay. Good, sir. So what does basically this Sunrock brand use to ensure the durability and efficiency to the PEB industry?
First of all, once it's placed in the sheds, unless and until there is external damage, there's nothing gonna happen to the product. Firstly, and secondly, it's 100% fireproof, so it has a fire resistance of almost 3 hours. It can withstand a temperature up to 750 degrees, so nothing gonna happen to the product. It's a wonderful product.
Okay, good, sir, good. So what are your future plans for Sunrock in terms of expansion or introducing any new technology to the industry?
New technology, then we are into expansion right now. Maybe in next 4 to 5 months, a new production line will start, and it's with the best of the technology that is available in the world right now that we are putting up this state of the art facility. We will get to see in some new in coming years.
Good, sir. So can you just let me know what is the USP of your product basically, which you are dealing in, as compared to the competitor basically, as compared to the competition? Many of the companies are there in India who are dealing into insulation product. So how you compete with those companies?
When you come to Sunrock, we can ensure you that in terms of service, in terms of quality, and in terms of like anything, we are a whole complete solution provider for the insulation product. I can guarantee you're not gonna get anything not from India, but from you can say our continent Asia. So we are centrally located, so the transportation is very easy to us. We have our own transport system, and in terms of we are available 24 hours for customers, and in terms of quality, there's no match of Sunrock.
Okay. Next subject. So last question. So towards the industry, what is your mission and vision, sir?
I think
Towards the industry, what is the mission and vision, sir?
I think there's a big potential in PEB segment right now. India is almost a 5 trillion economy right now. We are going to be a developed country in coming years. So big PEBs are coming. There will be insulation required, and it's a big market. It's gonna go up.
Good, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable bites, sir.